Okay guys, here's upstairs storage cabinets, 3D view. These base cabinets are 24 deep. We'd have I'm thinking we would do a laminate top. This is a big run. Let's see. It is 179 inches. I cannot get material this long to do this wood top in one continuous run. And if we put a joint in it and painted it, there's no way to get it upstairs in one piece if we did wood and painted all of it white. But if we did laminate, went to Formica and looked up some laminate colors, or a white laminate or a contrast color. One thing it's a bit more durable, it'd be a square edge. The front and top corners are square. Of course they wouldn't be sharp, but that material can be seamed together in place, and not as visible if it's a painted wood top. But this bench seat, the top of the wood top would be 18 inches. These are currently 16.5. We'd put 3/4 inch decking, and then the wood top would be another 3/4. But the front edge of the countertop would appear to be 1.5 inches. Then our upper cabinets sit on top, and this is one cabinet which is 87 3/4 of an inch tall. I'm trying to break this up because if this is one full height cabinet, I don't think we can fit it into the space through the doorway at the top of the stairs. All these base cabinets are about 3 feet wide. So this bench seat here, the bottom of this upper cabinet is about 76 inches off the floor. So plenty of headroom to sit here. All these cabinets are 18 inches deep. These are 24. So you're going to have about 6 inches of countertop, bench top protruding out right here. To the ceiling, crown molding terminating at ceiling height. Each cabinet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is shorter obviously, but the doors are the same height as these. 2 doors, and adjustable shelf, adjustable shelf, adjustable shelf, and you have 13 and 9/16 between shelving. This is just open below, no shelf in here. 11 inches of inside height. Okay, that's upstairs. Another 3D view to look at. Display cabinet, drawers. This cabinet's only 15 deep, so these drawers are only going to be about 12 inches deep. Glass doors. Per the photo, the inside of this is painted or stained. You could do a puck light up here. If you're going to do that, all these shelves would need to be glass so the light would penetrate through. And the depth of this is controlled by the tile, the 2.5 inch tile that's going to die into the side of the cabinet here. That's why it's so shallow, and it would be underneath the soffit piece that runs across the top. The vanities. Top of this is 30. This would be 36 3/4. 3 drawers, sink cabinet, sink cabinet. This is about 28 inches wide, 30 inches here. The bottom of this is 24 inches. From the bottom of this drawer stretcher to the floor is 24, which is standard. So when you're sitting at a stool, you have enough room for your leg. And the top of this countertop would be at 30 inches. Plus or minus 1/4 inch, depending on how level the floor is. This toka could be flush with the face of the cabinet here. It's not shown, but this would be flush. We'd have a decorative toe kick under the sinks only. All of this is a flush toe kick. It's not recessed as shown. There would be a second piece put underneath the cabinets, underneath the doors and drawers. That's flush with the face of them. And then a decorative arched toe kick on center of the sinks underneath of them. As far as this would be the door style. This is 2 1/4 inches wide. This is a cutaway view. Paint grade, all painted white for upstairs and in the master bathroom. And this would be slab. The reason is because it's so short. There's just not enough room to do an inset panel, so that'd just be a smooth slab front. This drawer is 13 inches tall, 6 3/16 tall, and this one's 11 1/4 tall. These numbers just represent where the plumbing is. And the makeup vanity. Okay, let me know. Thanks.